The case here may have taken a political turn, and at this point, we're looking at campaign rallies that are due to begin in Delhi. All parties here hectically in campaign mode. Let me take you through what's lined up. Election campaign in the national capital as it heats up. We're looking at the BJP's top guns all set to campaign in Delhi today. Union Home Minister Amit Shah will be addressing a rally in South Delhi and will be campaigning for Ramveer Singh Bidhuri. BJP President JP Nadda will be holding a roadshow for Basuri Swaraj in New Delhi's constituency. And UP Chief Minister Yogi Adityanath also to be holding a mega rally there in East Delhi. On the other hand, Delhi Chief Minister Kejriwal, who's out on bail for elections, will be holding 6 road shows across the national capital. He's already been campaigning in different pockets of Delhi, meeting people, holding sabhas, etc. But these road shows will really be the highlight in the course of the next few days. Let me inform you, in 2019, all 7 seats in Delhi were won by the BJP. But this time, the AAP and the Congress are allies. They come together as one unit, which could put up a tough fight for the Bharatiya Janata Party.
मोदी जी ने तो पूरी ताकत लगा दी थी कि केजरीवाल को बाहर नहीं निकलने दूंगा, पर एक दिन सुप्रीम कोर्ट के जज साहब की कृपा हुई। मैं टीवी देख रहा था अपने जेल में बैठ के, अचानक मैंने देखा सुप्रीम कोर्ट ने मेरे को बेल दे दी। मेरे को तो यकीन ही नहीं हुआ। ये पीछे पड़े हैं हमारे, आप देख रहे हो। मनीष सिसोदिया को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, संजय सिंह को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, मेरे को गिरफ्तार कर लिया, सतिंदर जैन को गिरफ्तार कर लिया। कह रहे 100 करोड़ का घोटाला हो गया, कभी कहते हैं 1000 करोड़ का। चवन्नी नहीं मिली कहीं से। कितनी रेड मार ली इन्होंने, चवन्नी मिली हो कहीं पे, मैं राजनीति छोड़ दूंगा। 25 पैसे नहीं मिले कहीं पे। अरे 100 करोड़ 1000 करोड़ हवा में थोड़ी चले गए। अगर हमने पैसे खाए कहीं तो मिलते, कोई जमीन मिलती, कोई ज्वेलरी मिलती, कोई कैश मिले, कहीं कुछ नहीं। पूरा झूठ, पूरा झूठ। जबरदस्ती आम आदमी पार्टी को फंसाते जा रहे हैं। क्यों? मोदी जी डरते हैं आम आदमी पार्टी से।
All right. Let me quickly cut across to our correspondents, Piyush Mishra and Abhishek Anand, both in Delhi. Abhishek, over to you. We know this is the pre-election blitz, even before, even just as the Delhi election mood picks up. We have the BJP lining up all their star campaigners. Home Minister Amit Shah himself is here. We believe Yogi Adityanath is also is scheduled to hold a rally in Delhi. So their star faces with the best push on ground.
Well, certainly, with the 5th phase of election nearing its end, now all the focus is the national capital. And national capital holds special importance for all the parties, the alliance, the India Alliance and the BJP. Currently, the score of BJP it goes in the favor of BJP with 7-0 since last 2 elections. But these were the areas who were once dominated by the Congress party. So yes, the focus now is on the national capital, and all the star campaigners from across the party lines are now in Delhi, and the political slugfest has now reached the national capital officially. So far, all the politics and all the discussions and all the rallies were going on throughout the country, and Delhi was away from all these rallies and all these political dramas. But now all the focus, all the eyes on Delhi, because Delhi will be voting in the next phase, and all the political parties are now
and for the first time, this is also an alliance that they're fighting, isn't it, Abhishek? Let me take that question to Piyush. For the first time, we're looking at BJP facing off in Delhi, alliance between AAP and the Congress. So it is a challenge, and the BJP is ready for it. They seem to have lined up all their star campaigners. I missed out a few names. We believe Annamalai from Tamil Nadu is coming down. Madhvi Lata of Hyderabad is coming down. You have Pushkar Singh Dhami, who's going to be campaigning in Delhi, along with Madhya Pradesh Chief Minister Mohan Yadav. So the list goes on. They're really putting out all their might in Delhi to ensure they retain all 7 seats. Piyush.
Well, absolutely, yeah. Nabila, from Shivraj Singh Chauhan to Navneet Rana to Madhvi Lata to Pushkar Singh Dhami, and now today the big leaders of Bharatiya Janata Party are going to do road shows and rallies. Right now I'm present in Malviya Nagar area of National Capital, where BJP's National President will be holding a road show in a short while from now. Let me straight away try to show you the pictures from the spot from where right now I'm reporting. It is Hanuman Temple, the famous Hanuman Temple of Malviya Nagar, where where BJP's National President JP Nadda will be reaching in a short while from now, and preparations have almost been done by the BJP. You can see as to how the workers are now on the street, and they are waiting for their National President JP Nadda. In 2 minutes from now, he will come here and then he will do road show. Let me also try to get a word from few workers and understand the sentiment which is right now there on the ground. क्या नाम है आपका, कहाँ से आएंगे?
मेरा नाम संजय तड़ियाल है और मैं नई दिल्ली में महामंत्री का मेरे पास दायित्व है। ये मेरे साथ मंडल अध्यक्ष मयंक जी हैं।
किस तरह का एक्साइटमेंट है कार्यकर्ताओं के अंदर, क्योंकि पहली बार ऐसा हो रहा है कि कांग्रेस और आम आदमी पार्टी साथ में चुनाव लड़ रही है। आपको लगता है कहीं ना कहीं चैलेंज होगा?
कोई चैलेंज नहीं है। विश्व की सबसे बड़ी पार्टी के राष्ट्रीय अध्यक्ष जी का आज मालवीय नगर में आगमन होगा और इस बार 25 तारीख को ऐसा चुनाव देखने को मिलेगा कि इनका तो हरण कर दिया जाएगा। जो आप पार्टी है उसको पता ही नहीं चलेगा कहां से कहां हो गई, पता ही नहीं चलेगा। आप पार्टी धरातल
आरोप लगा रहे हैं कि आप लोग जो है उनको खत्म करना चाहते हैं, बीजेपी आम आदमी पार्टी को खत्म करना चाहती है।
जी, आपको सारा यूथ यहाँ पर दिख रहा है। आपको पता है जनता का स्वार्थ कहाँ है, भाजपा की तरफ है। जो जितने भी हमारे बच्चे से लेके बूढ़े जितने भी हैं, सब चाहते हैं कि वो भाजपा के साथ जुड़े। तो आप देख रहे हैं लोकप्रियता अपने आप में निकल के आती है, जैसे वो अपने युवाओं को आगे देखना चाह रहे हैं। जैसे ही आप देख रहे हैं हमारे बीच में बांसुरी स्वराज जी को मौका दिया, मात्र 39 साल की उम्र में उनको एक सांसद के रूप में देखा जा रहा है।
See the kind of excitement which is there on the ground, Nabila, and also right behind me you can see there's a huge poster which has been installed here by the workers of BJP, where they are, all set to welcome Sushma Bansuri Swaraj along with the BJP's National President JP Nadda.
All right.
He will be reaching from now, and then he will do
So the excitement is building, and we see that palpable tension there just ahead of the 6th phase of polls. 25th of May, precisely the day when Delhi will go to vote. That's this Saturday, and we see Delhi already out in campaign mode, and the heat intensifies amid the heat wave. Thanks very much, Abhishek and Piyush, for joining us on that.